Have you ever paused to ponder the profound connection between fitness and mental health? Welcome to a captivating journey that unravels this intricate relationship, weaving through the colorful tapestry of wellness. Here at Epic Spectrum, we delve into the fascinating intersection of physical and mental well-being. First, let's unravel the mind-body connection. The union between fitness and mental health is like interwoven threads in a rich tapestry. Exercise releases endorphins, magical neurotransmitters that elevate your mood and alleviate stress. A brisk walk, a yoga session, or a dance workout. Each activity triggers an endorphin rush that transforms your mental state. Exercise is also a potent stress reducer. Whether you're sweating it out at the gym or practicing mindfulness through yoga, physical activity significantly lowers cortisol levels, leaving you feeling tranquil and centered. Here's an added bonus. Regular exercise promotes better sleep quality. A well-rested mind is a resilient mind, better equipped to handle life's challenges. And as you build physical strength, your self-concept improves. Feeling good about your body positively impacts your mental well-being. Now let's delve into the science. Regular physical activity harmonizes the functioning of your hypothalamus-pituitary-adrenal axis, balancing your stress response. Exercise also holds profound implications for depression and anxiety, especially for clinical patients. But don't worry, even non-clinical individuals reap significant benefits. Remember, exercise isn't just about reps and sets. It's about enhancing your mood and overall quality of life. A brisk walk in the park can do wonders for your mental outlook. Now, envision yourself running along a sun-kissed trail, feeling the wind on your face. Picture yourself stretching in a serene yoga studio, syncing your mind and body. Imagine lifting weights, each rep reinforcing your inner strength. Are you inspired to embark on this journey toward holistic well-being? Subscribe to Epic Spectrum, hit that notification bell, and join this movement. We're in this together. I'm your fitness enthusiast and mental health advocate. Follow me as we explore the vibrant world of wellness, breaking down barriers, one squat at a time. Remember, fitness isn't just about sculpting muscles. It's about nurturing your mind, body, and soul. So lace up those sneakers, press play, and let's thrive together. A quick note, always consult a healthcare professional before starting any exercise program. Individual experiences may vary. Welcome aboard the Epic Spectrum journey to holistic well-being.